Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. I'm teacher Amira. Today we are going to look into Year 3 Get Smart Plus. In this module 1, welcome. Okay, today we learn a new topic, what's the time? Okay, let's see the video.
What's the time? Let us listen to the audio.
Module 1. Let's play. Vocabulary. It's 3 o'clock. It's 3:30.
It's 3 o'clock. It's 3:30. So boys and girls, we have a few clock here. Do you know how to tell the time? What's the time? Okay, let's look at one example first. I'm sure all of you have clock at home. So now let's look at the needles of the clock. The long one. The long one. Okay. When you see the long one pointing at 12, then we're going to say it's 2 o'clock, it's 3 o'clock, it's 1 o'clock, and so on. It can be 3, 4, 5. You just say the numbers. It can be 1, can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, or 12 o'clock. As long as the long needle pointing at 12 here. So we're going to use it. 1 o'clock, it, 2 o'clock, and so on. If the needle point at 6, you're going to say it's 1/2 past. It's 1/2 past. Maybe it's 4:30. It's 3:30. It's 1:30, and so on. So boys and girls, we must look at the needles pointing, the long one, okay, not the short one, the long one. Okay, Mr. C differentiate it by at here. So this is at 2 o'clock. So it is 1/2 past. Okay, maybe the short needles point at 2. It's 2:30. So let's see some example here. What's the time? What's the time? It's 6 o'clock. Okay, now this is a bit confusing, but this is the short one and this is the long one. So what time is it? It is, yes, it is 2 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock. So what is S about? Apostrophe S. It is. It is. Short form, it is. So what time is it? The long needle point at 12. It is 10 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. So boys and girls, you must know how to write all the vocabulary. Yeah? And what time is this? It's simple, right? It is 12 o'clock. It is 12 o'clock. So now, the long one pointing at 12. So it is 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. So this is 30 minutes here. So means it's 11:30. It's 11:30. Next, also the long needle pointing at 6 is 3:30. It's 3:30. Okay, boys and girls, do notice that it's not pointing at exactly at 3, because you already passed the 3, so it's 3:30. It's a little bit go nearer to 4. Okay, now how about this? It's not even 8. So it's 7:30. It's 7:30. So boys and girls, do note the difference here. Okay, please take note at this part. Okay, what about this? It is 9:30. 9:30. Next one will be, it is 8 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock. How about this? The short one pointing up and then the long one pointing at 6. So we're going to use 1/2 And is it 12 or is 11? It's 11:30 because it haven't reached to 12. It's not yet 12. Okay, next will be, it is 7 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. Okay, the last one. The last example here will be, the long needles point at 6. So the time will be, it's 10:30. It's 10:30.
Okay class, let's do the exercise in book A. Okay, read and draw the clock. That's all for today. Thank you.